With social media becoming such a big part of our everyday lives, it's no surprise that employers are increasingly using social networks to research potential hires and gather more information than they would otherwise obtain during the interview process. Good evening, everyone. Dr. Gagandeep Kaur Gulati this side from Living Dreams. Friends, you all know that we keep on organizing various talk shows, webinars, lectures, and of course, the youth talk shows on our platform, Weaving Dreams YouTube channel. So, this time we are coming up with the ninth virtual youth talk show on the theme Potential employers must consider an applicant's social media during a job application. This is the theme of the ninth virtual youth talk show. This would be streamed live on 15th of December. We invite the students to come and register for the same just in case you want to come and participate as speakers in the talk show with this theme. Now, according to a survey, 70% of the employers use social media to screen the candidates during the hiring process. And about 43% of employers use social media to check on the current employees as well. What all the current employees are doing nowadays with their social media. Companies are no longer just pre screening the applicants through phone interviews and personality assessment tests. Now they have social media profiles at their fingertips. Why? To take a deeper dive into the personal lives and previous job experiences of the candidates. The information that once used to be private, but now it's readily available to anyone willing to take a little more time to dig around the web. That way, ideally, a candidate's background listed online should match the qualification he or she has stated on the resume or shared during the interview. No, that's what exactly the employees look for. And any discrepancy in this information can lead to potential employers questioning the accuracy of a candidate's resume. How does it sound? Now, the potential employers must consider an applicant's social media during a job application. This is the theme of our youth talk show. This is what we would be discussing. This is a group discussion. This is not a debate. This is not a competition. The participants who join us would be sharing their thoughts, their viewpoints on this particular theme. Friends, we live in an increasingly connected world where more and more people have social media accounts. Most of the companies take advantage of that free peek into the personalities, characteristics of the would-be employees. You know what? The companies now feel that the information is free, it's easy to access on public profiles. A quick search on a social network can very quickly it can reveal a lot about the job seeker. A social presence can give you a glimpse into what other people say about that particular applicant. There are various websites, there are various social media, just like LinkedIn. They give the people the opportunity to recommend others. Testimonials on a person's profile can give you the insight about what a candidate may bring to the job. A review of the social media can also help you weed out the bad apples. Now, unfortunately, some people have social profiles that are celebrations of poor judgment, bad decision, or even bad behavior. The companies can see these behaviors and weed out the applicants before they even invite them in for an interview. Social media screening has rewards, but at the same time, it also carries risk. Risks? Yes, risks. Your decision making could be unconsciously biased by what you see. Now, let's say that a candidate you screen via social media has a pretty clean profile. He shows in his social media that he has interest in economics, the economy of a country. He is fond of academics, he is fond of studying, he loves sports. He also mentions that he is a member of various social societies or NGOs or clubs, etc. And you hire the person. Your interview is also based on what all he has shown in the social media. So, probably during the interview, he would be saying the same things. But what if you later realize that the information mentioned above was incorrect to a great extent? So, finally, do we conclude that a thorough screening policy coupled with the documentation about each candidate's qualifications must form the basis of the decision making process, not only checking the social media profile of an applicant? This is exactly the theme of our ninth Youth Talk show, which shall be streamed live on YouTube channel of Weaving Dreams. This would be streamed live on 15th of December 2020, 7:30 p.m. If you are a student and wish to join us, then do not forget to mail us immediately to reserve a spot for yourself for this healthy group discussion. Whether you feel that the social media should be there, social media must be checked during a jobs application by the potential employers. I'm really sure that you would definitely like to talk on this issue. So, if you wish to, do not forget to immediately mail us on our mail ID weavingdreams2017 at gmail.com. I'll just put this mail ID in the discussion in the description part also. We also welcome you to see our previous You Talk shows so that you have an idea how we go about it. It's not a debate, it's not a competition, it's a group discussion. Thank you so much for joining. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you like the channel. Do not forget to register for this You Talk show. Thank you so much. Bye bye.